Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In this video, we will explore tried and tested strategies that will help you gain control and keep your students engaged throughout the lesson. Firstly, it's crucial to establish clear expectations and rules from day one. Create a class agreement. Having a class agreement can be an effective way to control a noisy class. When students are involved in creating the rules and expectations for their classroom, they feel a sense of ownership and responsibility. This can lead to improved behavior and a more respectful learning environment. By discussing and agreeing upon the rules together, students understand the importance of maintaining a quiet and focused atmosphere for effective learning. To ignite their interest and attention, make your class agreement, rules, and expectation visible in the classroom. Consider creating visually appealing posters that highlights these guidelines. By making the rules tangible, you will have a reference point to redirect students if they forget. Displaying these rules also serves as a constant reminder for students to self-monitor their behavior. After establishing expectations, maintaining a strong presence in the classroom is a key. Make eye contact with each student, showing them that you are actively engaged and in control. Your body language should exude professionalism, confidence, and assertiveness. Walk around the class, ensuring that every student feels seen and heard. This approach helps to prevent distractions and keep the class focused. Another effective strategy is to incorporate interactive and collaborative activities into your lessons. This engages students actively, reducing the likelihood of disruptive behavior. Group work, discussions, and hand-on tasks can make learning both enjoyable and meaningful. By emphasizing the value of participation, you encourage the class to work together towards a shared goal. Monitoring and tracking students' behavior can also contribute to a well-managed classroom. Use a clipboard or digital tool to record incidents or achievements. By doing this, you provide feedback to both individuals and a class as a whole. Recognize and praise positive behaviors while calmly addressing disruptive behavior privately. This technique promotes accountability and helps students understand the consequences of their actions. In today's digital age, technology can support classroom management. Many interactive tools and apps provide instant feedback, timers, or noise level monitors. Utilizing these resources can help you set expectations and provide real-time feedback on noise levels. Students respond well to visible indicators and will often self-regulate if they know their behavior is being tracked. Lastly, building a strong relationship with your students is vital for maintaining a well-controlled classroom. Take the time to get to know them individually, their strengths, interests, and challenges. Show them that you are genuinely care about their well-being and academic success. When students feel valued and understood, they are more likely to respect you and the rules you have established. In conclusion, controlling a noisy class requires a multicolored approach. By setting clear expectations, maintaining a strong presence, incorporating interactive activities, monitoring behavior, utilizing technology, and developing relationships, you can create an environment suitable to learning. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.